Hi guys, so in this video we're going to cover how to buy TikTok coins on an iPhone. So let's jump right straight into this video. So we'll launch the TikTok app. Next, you visit your profile by clicking on the profile button at the bottom right corner. So what we're going to be looking for now is balance. Alright, so we're going to click on the menu button at the top right corner, the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. So we'll click on that. Then we're going to find balance. Okay, so you click on balance. If you want to buy coins on your personal account, you click on balance. Okay, so you can see this is our go-to where we get coins and buy coins. Okay, so click on get started. All right, so you could see there's a free promo that says first recharge package, get gifts and bonus. Okay, so normally if you want to buy your coins, you click on get coins. Then you select the particular one you want to buy. Okay, then once you selected, you click on recharge. But let's go back because I think they want to give us a promo. So now we're going to use this first recharge package because this is the first time we are buying coins on this account. All right, so if you have this, if this shows up on your account, you click on get to get a bonus on your first recharge. Let's also swipe to the left. Okay, so this is another announcement. If you want to do this, you could do this, but we're going to leave this for now. So let's swipe to our right. Okay, so let's click on get in this particular instance. Okay, so you can see some bonus. Okay, so you could also claim this by clicking on get. All right, so take note, we've already added our payment method or debit or credit card into our Apple device. We're going to attach a video link in the description section of this video that will teach you how to add a credit card or a debit card to your Apple device, which will enable you to make in-app purchases. All right, so we're going to verify this purchase right now. So we double click. So you can see that our purchase was successful. Okay, so we've claimed our coin. Okay, so let's click on OK. So this is how you could buy coins on TikTok. And this is also how you could claim your gift on your first purchase. Okay, so let's go backwards. Now I'm going to teach you the normal method. So let's say if you're visiting here and you didn't get the offer to get a bonus coin or to get a gift on your first purchase, all you need to do is to click on the get coins. Okay, so once you click on the get coins, you then select the amount you want to buy. Okay, so let's say we want to buy 20, then we'll click on recharge. Okay, so you can see the same process with what we just finished. So once I approve this purchase, they are going to debit me and I'm going to get this extra 20 coins. But also there's a better way to buy coins in order for you to save cost on Apple fees. So we're going to attach the video in the description section to teach you how to buy coins using a browser or using your laptop or your desktop computer in order for you to buy more coins at a cheaper rate. So kindly visit the description section of this video where we're going to show you how to buy coins the cheapest way on TikTok. All right, so also explore other contents in the description section which are going to be valuable for your business. So see you guys in our next video and bye for now. Cheers.